I'm going to the first day of the Biomedical Congress, and I have a lot of expectations about the conferences and about innovation. So let's see how that goes. The International Biomedical Congress took place in the research center of the city of Pécs. She's showing me a wrist brace for rehabilitation. It's not using the normal cast, but with a 3D printed material. This allows the model to be lighter and also to scratch through the holes. I'm not sure of the exactly price, but they told me it's cheaper than the normal cast. There were people from different companies showing their products about bioprinting in this case and about prosthetics. This guy was showing me this pretty cheap printed prosthetic hand. It was made with ABS, if I remember correctly, and with PTU, the joints in the fingers. So he explained to me that could cost even 15 euros to print just a hand. And of course there's a variation of colors and designs that we can use, and we can adapt this model to different sizes for the patient so they can fit their needs and adjust it. It's pretty good technology and cheap prices. Then this is my husband, and he's trying the virtual reality. This is oriented in this case to learn anatomy, so there is a menu that you can choose the different parts of the body that you want to study and learn from it, and it's pretty dynamic the way that you can learn with these new technologies. Also, I tried this technology with virtual reality and ultrasound oriented. Is in order to learn anatomy and the parts of the human body. So they have this model, and I can take this little machine in a way that I will do an ultrasound in a human body, and through the glasses I could see inside of the body the different parts, and it's also a super good way of learning anatomy. And it's very dynamic and fun to use, so you can see the heartbeat and all the organs functioning. This device is useful to place little animals like rats or rabbits for medical research. This is a 3D printed model for finger rehabilitation. The conferences were amazing, basically about commercial applications of biofabrications. The second day was raining, but I'm an optimistic, so I went all the way to the research center again with the expectations of more conferences and innovations to see. The second day of conferences were basically about neuroscience. After lunch, we had the opportunity to participate in different workshops and practices. I chose in this case one about intubation to the patient. So basically we were working with a model, but the new technology applied is that we can use a camera and an external monitor to see through the throat. Also, we learned some practices about reanimation in case of accident, using some technologies especially to make the bleeding stop. Some of the students presented posters. Here I am with mine. It's about the mechanical testing of the fingers of a myoelectric prosthetic hand. The third day was the last day of the International Biomedical Congress. A hackathon was going on the 2 previous days, and the results are going to be announced today. In the morning, a wide range of different topics were showed in presentations of 10 minutes, so we had the opportunity to learn about rehabilitation, controlling, testing new sensors, and more. Here is a picture with a coordinator of my program at Biomedical Engineering, some of the students of the first year of the program, and my classmates in the second year. I forgot to tell you about the food, it was really delicious. Study abroad, of course, is an exciting experience, and one of the requirements is to have a level of English at least of B2. That's why I highly recommend Cultural Language English Academy. This is an excellent academy which helps students from all over the world to get their international certificates such as TOEFL, Cambridge, IELTS, and others. So if you're looking for a place to study online and increase your level of English, and through this get a scholarship and study abroad, I will leave you a link in the first comment where you can find more information about it.